Hey there everyone, today we have something exciting to unbox. Okay, so basically what I have here is the new Galaxy Buds 2 in Malaysia. Okay, so we are going to unbox and check out what are you actually getting when you purchase one in Malaysia today. Okay guys, so this is just an unboxing video, there's no first impression, so let's go check it out now. Alright guys, so there you have it, the Galaxy Buds 2 here, still sealed. Okay, so let's go and unseal this thing up. Let's unseal this thing. That's good. Very nice. Let me just put back the blade. Okay, there we go. So you have a serial sticker here for your warranties. Okay, so you have some paper guides as well. Okay, let's see. All right, I think all your guides, warranty, and so on is in here. Okay, so let's just throw this away, more focusing on the product itself. Okay, so let's take out this first. Okay, put the other rest on the side. Okay, so a white casing. White casing. Not bad. Actually looks not bad. Okay, so what I have here is the lavender color. Alright. Yeah, so this is it. The unboxing. And the product itself. Okay. Look at that. Really nice. Looks like a jelly bean. Okay. Nice. Not bad. Okay, so we have the other box here. Let's check out what is it in here. Okay, so they provide you USB cable and some ear tips. Okay, so coming back to the Buds 2 itself. Okay, again you can see there's sound by AKG lettering there. All right, very nice actually. Although I do hope they could have make the case to have color. All right, maybe perhaps they make it white so you could buy a case cover for it. Yeah, so that's all for the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 2 in Malaysia. So if you really want to get it right now, yeah, price is at the bottom here. Some subtitles will be popping out, and go ahead and get one today. All right guys, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.